Hi everyone. Today we learn about inverse function. In order to be a function, first of all, that you can do the vertical line test, and it tells you whether the given graph or graph is a function or not. After that, it's a function, it's verified. You can find the inverse function by either horizontal line test, or we can find the inverse function. So number 7, this is the homework guide. 7, fx equal to x plus 1 over 6. Step 1, I did not bring my pen today, so I'm gonna just I typed it. So step 1, change fx equal to y. So y equal to x plus 1 over 6. Step 2, switch x and y. This is not the only way we can solve it, okay? But I am just showing you one of this way. You can do other way too, that I will upload it answer key later. So I switch y to the x to the y. So x equal to y plus 1 equal to 6. Because inverse function means the given function, starting function, original function x will be y in inverse function. So we are switching it. Step 3, solve for y. So x equal to this one, y plus 1 over 6. This one, we can separate them like this. Y over 1 plus 1 over 6. And we subtract. You know what? Let's do it the other way, because we don't want to deal with all the fraction. So if I multiply 6 both sides, 6x equals to y plus 1. So what I did is multiply 6 both sides. This might be easier, right? So let me move all of them down. So that now we are going to subtract right here. We subtract 1 from both sides, right? Now we got it. Y equal to 6x minus 1. This might be easier. So this is how we read it. Inverse of fx equal 6x minus 1. That's how you're gonna do. Okay, good. And then next one. This one, number 9. Find the inverse function fx for the given function fx. Use composition to verify that functions are inverse. We did it today, inverse. So then grab the function. So how do I do? Oh, hang on. Let me see. Okay. Inverse. In order to find the inverse function, step 1, y equal negative 3x plus 3. Step 2, switch x and y equal to negative 3y plus 3. Step 3, solve for y. So I'm going to subtract 3 from the both sides. That will give me x minus 3 equal negative 3y. And then we are going to divide by negative 3. So x minus 3 divided by negative 3. Oopsie. That equals to, hang on. Here we go. I divided negative 3, and then now y, oops, come on, y is by itself. Now y is by itself. And that gives me f inverse of 1 equal negative x over 3. Right here, negative 3 divided by negative 3 gives you plus 1. This is my inverse function. But this one is not the all. We need to find it like using inverse function to composition function. So f of f inverse 1 like this. So that has to be always has to be equal to x. Let's try. My given function was y equal to negative 3x. So my negative 3, and I need to put, this is the ff function, right? Plus 3. And this one, let me change the color. This one inside the inverse, this one, this is gonna be going there, right here. This is the inverse of function. Okay, right there, this one going there. All right, and then we need to know, I said it during the class time, you are going to use, let me see, let me find it if there's x on it. I used to remember how to do it, but let me try if I remember correctly. This underbar and equal. It doesn't do, but okay, hang on, let me try it again. This underbar and equal sign. Nope, it doesn't do, but you know what I mean. Okay, let me do it again. I remember used to be, okay. Anyway, that has to be equal to x. So when you multiply negative 3 times the negative 1/3, that gives me x. And then when you multiply negative 3 right here times 1 gives me negative 3. And outside has a plus 3. So that equals to x. So yes, my function that I found, inverse function, is correct inverse function of this given function. That is all. I see you in class. Bye.